girl Nia Imani, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below. Hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading, like duh. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. As you guys can see from the title today, I am breaking down my game day makeup look. Oh, today is the first preseason game. When this video is uploaded, that will be my second preseason game of the new season. I'm super excited. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to get a flawless NBA dancer game day makeup, so keep on watching.
Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Now Julio make me a Fulvio. Now I hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Listen my da-da-da. Listen that all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit. You a damn drug, yeah. Toxic. All the sex on replay, running back like a DJ. Feel on your face while you eat that. Tryna make a bad bitch behave. I would just wait for you, pussy away for you, thinking I would wait for you. And that damn down Julio made me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Missing my da-da-da, missing that And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit. You a damn drug, yeah. Toxic. Problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always calling your dramatics, all in your acrobatics. You know I want to stay. Tell me to throw it backwards. That damn down Julio made me a fool for you. And I still hit your phone up with that rah-rah-rah. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit. You a damn drug, yeah. Toxic.
If you let go, the music should move your bones. Maybe just remember, sing the song with me. Ain't nobody like you. You're a good girl and that's why I still trust you. Late at night I talk to you. You know that every time I touch you. Yeah, you know I can make you happy. I could change your life. If you give me that chance to be your man, give me that chance.
because it's laying the edges down. But yes, we are at the end of this video. Every product that I use will be listed down below.